Hello, wonderful you. Time to stretch and breathe. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here with you today. Today, we are going to talk about something truly lovely. We will explore moving our bodies with gentle stretches, and we will learn to find a little bit of calm in our busy days. This is all about feeling good, inside and out. It is about finding what feels good for you. No pressure, just sweet, kind movement. Are you ready to begin this journey with me? Stretching is like a kind hello to your muscles. It helps your body wake up and feel more alive. Mindfulness is like a soft whisper to your busy mind. It helps you find quiet and peace, even for a moment. When we bring these two friends together, something magical happens. We start to feel more connected to ourselves. We feel more open, more flexible, and more at ease. It's a beautiful way to take care of your whole self. Think about how a plant reaches for the sun. Your body also loves to reach and open up. It does not have to be a big, fancy stretch. Just a little wiggle, a gentle sway can make a big difference. And your mind? Oh, your mind works so hard all day long. It deserves a little rest, a little space to just be. Mindfulness offers that sweet, quiet space. It's a gift you can give yourself anytime, anywhere. So why is this so important, you might ask? Well, in our fast world, we often forget to pause. We forget to listen to what our body is telling us. We forget to give our minds a chance to breathe. Stretching and mindfulness are simple tools. They help us reconnect and feel more balanced. They invite us to be present in this moment. And that, my friends, is a truly wonderful thing. Your amazing body. Why stretching feels so good? Let's talk about your amazing body for a moment. It carries you through every single day. It helps you walk, run, dance, and hug your loved ones. Stretching is a way to say thank you to your body. It helps your muscles feel longer and more relaxed. Imagine a tight rubber band all coiled up. Stretching gently helps that rubber band become soft and easy. Your muscles feel just like that after a good, kind stretch. When you stretch, you are helping your body move better. This is called increasing your flexibility. Being more flexible means you can bend and reach more easily. You can tie your shoes without a big huff and puff. You can reach for that book on the high shelf. Daily tasks become a little bit simpler, a little bit smoother. Your body feels less stiff and more ready for action. It's like oiling a creaky door hinge, so it opens with ease. Think about how good it feels to yawn and stretch in the morning. That is your body naturally asking for movement. Stretching regularly helps to keep that good feeling going all day. It can help to ease those little aches and pains. Maybe your shoulders feel tight from sitting at a desk, or your legs feel tired from standing for a long time. A gentle stretch can bring sweet relief to these areas. Listen to your body. It often knows exactly what it needs. Increased flexibility also means better blood flow. When you stretch, you encourage blood to move more freely. This brings fresh oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. It helps them to repair and stay healthy. Good circulation is so important for your overall well-being. It helps your heart, your brain, and every part of you. So each stretch is like sending a little wave of goodness. Your body will thank you for this lovely kindness. Stay strong, stay safe. Stretching keeps you happy. Stretching is not just about feeling good in the moment. It is also about keeping your body safe and strong for the future. When your muscles are flexible and well-stretched, they are happier. Happy muscles are less likely to get hurt. Think of it like this. A dry twig snaps easily, but a flexible green branch can bend without breaking. Stretching helps your muscles become more like that green branch. This is so important, especially as we move through life. Preventing injuries is a huge benefit of regular stretching. If you play sports or even just enjoy a brisk walk, listen up. Stretching before and after you move can prepare your muscles. It warms them up and gets them ready for activity. And afterwards, it helps them cool down and recover. This reduces the chance of pulling a muscle or feeling too sore. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. Taking a few minutes to stretch is a smart choice. Stretching also helps with your posture. Many of us spend a lot of time sitting down. We might be at a computer or watching television. This can make our shoulders round and our backs feel tired. Gentle stretches can help to open up your chest. They can help to lengthen your spine. This encourages you to stand and sit a little taller. Good posture not only looks confident, but it also feels better for your body. And here's something else wonderful about stretching. It can actually help your muscles work together more smoothly. This is called improving your coordination and balance. When your body is flexible, your movements can be more graceful. You might find it easier to keep your balance. This is helpful in everyday life, like walking on uneven ground, or reaching for something without feeling wobbly. So, stretching helps you move through your day with more ease and confidence. Peace in your heart, finding calm with mindfulness. Now let's gently shift our focus to our minds. Our minds are like busy bees, always buzzing with thoughts. Sometimes this buzzing can feel a little overwhelming. Mindfulness is a way to quiet that buzz, even just a little. It is about paying attention to the present moment, not worrying about yesterday or planning for tomorrow, just being right here, right now, with kindness. It's like giving your mind a soft, cozy blanket. One of the biggest gifts of mindfulness is stress reduction. When we feel stressed, our bodies can feel tight and tense. Our breathing might become shallow and quick. Mindfulness helps us to notice these signs. And then it gives us tools to soften and release. A simple tool is focusing on your breath, feeling the air come in and feeling the air go out. This simple act can be incredibly calming for your nervous system. Studies have shown that mindfulness can lower stress hormones. These are the chemicals in your body that make you feel anxious. When these hormones are lower, you feel more relaxed. Your heart rate might slow down a bit. Your muscles might begin to unclench. It's not about stopping thoughts altogether, that's very hard. It's more about watching your thoughts without getting carried away by them, like watching clouds drift by in the sky. Practicing mindfulness can also help you sleep better. If your mind is racing when your head hits the pillow, it's hard to rest. A few moments of mindful breathing can prepare you for sleep. It helps to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Imagine you are gently dimming the lights in your mind, creating a peaceful space for rest and rejuvenation. Even 5 minutes of quiet attention can make a difference. It's a sweet way to end your day and invite peaceful dreams. Section 5. Clear mind, bright day. Mindfulness helps you focus. Beyond helping us feel calm, mindfulness can also sharpen our minds. It can help us to improve our focus and concentration. In our world filled with so many distractions, this is a superpower. Think about trying to read a book with loud music playing. It's hard to concentrate, isn't it? Mindfulness is like learning to gently turn down the volume. Not the volume of the world, but the volume of inner chatter. This allows you to pay better attention to what you choose. When you practice mindfulness, you are training your attention. It's like exercising a muscle, making it stronger over time. You might start by focusing on your breath for just 1 minute. Your mind will wander, and that is perfectly okay. Everyone's mind wanders. That is what minds do. The practice is to gently notice when it has wandered, and then kindly bring your attention back to your breath. Each time you do this, you are strengthening your focus muscle. This improved focus can help you in many areas of your life. At work or school, you might find it easier to concentrate on tasks. You might find you make fewer mistakes. You might even feel more creative and able to solve problems. When your mind is less cluttered, there is more space for new ideas. It's like clearing off a messy desk. Suddenly, you can see everything clearly and find what you need. A clear mind can lead to a more productive and enjoyable day. Mindfulness also helps us to become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. Sometimes we react to situations without really thinking. Mindfulness creates a little pause between a feeling and a reaction. In that pause, you have a choice. You can choose how you want to respond instead of just reacting. This can lead to better communication and stronger relationships. It helps you to understand yourself a little better too. And that self-awareness is a true gift for a brighter day. Section 6. Two friends together. Stretching and mindfulness hand in hand. Now, let's talk about the magic that happens when we bring these two together. Stretching and mindfulness are wonderful on their own, but when they join forces, They create something truly special. It's like making a beautiful soup with your favorite ingredients. Each one is good, but together they make a delicious, nourishing meal. Combining these practices offers a holistic approach to your well-being. This means it takes care of your body and your mind at the same time. It's a complete package of goodness, just for you. When you stretch mindfully, you are not just going through the motions. You are paying attention to how each movement feels in your body. You notice the sensations in your muscles, the rhythm of your breath. This deepens the connection between your mind and your body. You become more aware of what your body needs. Maybe it needs a gentler stretch today, or perhaps a little more. This mindful awareness helps you to stretch safely and effectively. You are listening, truly listening to your inner wisdom. This combination can make both practices even more powerful. The physical release from stretching can help your mind feel calmer. As tension leaves your muscles, mental stress can also begin to melt away, and a calm, focused mind can help you stretch more deeply. You are less likely to push too hard or rush through the movements. Instead, you can savor each stretch, each breath. It becomes a moving meditation, a dance between body and mind. This creates a wonderful cycle of relaxation and awareness. Think of it as a conversation between your body and your mind. Your body says, "I feel a little tight here." Your mindful breath responds, "Okay, let's soften and release." This dialogue helps you to build a kinder relationship with yourself. You learn to treat your body with respect and care. You learn to quiet your mind with gentleness. This holistic approach supports your overall health in a profound way. It's about finding balance, harmony, and a deep sense of inner peace. Section 7. Your gentle start, a simple stretch and breathe routine. Are you ready to try a little something now? Let's explore a very simple routine, perfect for beginners. Remember, the most important thing is to listen to your body. Find what feels good and never push into pain. We will combine some gentle stretches with mindful breathing. This routine can be done in the morning to start your day, or any time you need a little moment of peace and movement. Let's begin by finding a comfortable space. First, find a comfortable seat, maybe on a cushion on the floor, or you can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes gently, or keep a soft gaze downwards. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly expand like a balloon. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth, letting everything soften. Do this 2 more times. Inhale calm, exhale any tension. Just notice how your body feels, right here, right now. Now, let's do a gentle neck stretch. Slowly, mindfully, tilt your right ear towards your right shoulder. Feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Breathe here for a few moments. Inhale and exhale. If it feels okay, you can gently lower your chin towards your chest. Then slowly roll your head so your left ear moves towards your left shoulder. Feel that sweet stretch on the right side now. Breathe. Return your head to the center slowly. How does that feel? Next, let's reach for the sky. On an inhale, sweep your arms out to the sides and up overhead. Maybe your palms touch, or maybe they just reach towards each other. Lengthen your spine, feel tall, but keep your shoulders soft. On an exhale, slowly float your arms back down to your sides. Let's do that again, moving with your breath. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, float your arms down. Feel the movement, feel your breath. This is a lovely way to open your chest and shoulders. Section 8. Flow and Glow. Another sweet way to move and be mindful. Let's try another sweet and simple practice together. This one has a little more flow, a little more movement, but still, we keep it gentle and mindful, always. Remember, this is your practice, your time. Find a little space where you can move freely. Maybe put on some soft, calming music if you like. The goal is to feel good, to connect with your breath, and to let your body express itself with kindness. We can start standing for this one, if that feels good. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart. Let your arms hang loosely by your sides. Take a moment to feel your feet on the ground. Feel the support beneath you, strong and steady. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, soften your knees a little. Let's do a gentle cat-cow movement, but standing up. Inhale, gently arch your back. open your chest, look up slightly. Cow. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest. Let your shoulders round forward. Cat. Move slowly with your breath. Inhale to open and arch. Exhale to round and release. Do this a few times, feeling the movement in your spine. This is so good for your back, helping it stay flexible. It's also a chance to connect your breath with your movement, mindfully flowing, like seaweed in the ocean. Now let's add a gentle side stretch. Come back to a neutral standing position. Inhale, reach your right arm up towards the sky. As you exhale, gently lean your upper body to the left. Feel a nice stretch along your right side. Keep both feet firmly planted on the ground. Breathe here. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, lower your right arm. Now the other side. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, lean to the right. Breathe into that stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, arm down. Lovely. Scientists tell us that mindful movement like this is so beneficial. It can help to calm our nervous system. It can improve our awareness of our own bodies. This is sometimes called proprioception, a fancy word for knowing where you are in space. When you combine gentle stretching with focused breathing, you tell your brain it's okay to relax. This can reduce feelings of anxiety and improve your mood. So you are not just stretching your body, you are also giving your mind a beautiful gift of peace and clarity. Section 9. Keep going, you got this. Make room for movement and peace. My dear friends, we have explored some beautiful ideas today. We talked about the joy of stretching our amazing bodies. We learned about the quiet power of mindfulness, and we saw how wonderful they are when they come together. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. It's about finding little moments in your day. Moments to move, to breathe, and to connect with yourself. You have these tools now, always available to you. Integrating these practices into your daily life doesn't need to be hard. It can be as simple as a 5-minute stretch when you wake up, or a few mindful breaths while you wait for the kettle to boil. Maybe you can do a gentle neck stretch during a break from work, or a short standing flow before you settle in for the evening. The key is to make it easy and enjoyable for you. Find what fits into your life, your schedule. Even small bits of practice add up to big benefits. Be patient and kind with yourself as you explore. Some days you might feel full of energy for movement. Other days you might just need a few quiet moments of stillness. Listen to your body, listen to your heart. They will guide you to what you need most. Celebrate the small victories, the moments you choose to show up for yourself. This practice is a gift of self-love and self-care. You deserve to feel good, to feel flexible, to feel peaceful. So I encourage you with all my heart to keep going. Make a little space in your life for stretching and mindfulness. Let these practices be your friends, your anchors in a busy world. They can help you navigate challenges with more grace. They can help you appreciate the simple joys more deeply. You have the power to unlock more flexibility in your body and more peace in your mind. You got this. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Keep shining.